Good morning, I am Twinkle Tanlekar and today I am going to share some basic information about coronavirus. Yeah, I know that you all are going to say that yeah, we have all the information about it, but because of the rumors, very few people has the correct information about it. So today I am going to share some basic, correct and true information about it. So let's start. In this video, we will talk about four topics. First, what is coronavirus? Second, what are the symptoms of it? Third, how to protect ourselves from it. And fourth, is there is any research regarding prevention of a coronavirus? So our first question is, what is coronavirus? In the last weeks of 2019, when world was ready to welcome the year 2020, many local hospitals in Wuhan, China has reported an unusual number of cases which were similar to pneumonia, but they were not responding to any form of medicines or vaccines. It is a new type of a virus. Coronaviruses is a family of viruses from which one virus has spread around the world today. It can cause cold, cough, and many serious illness of the lungs. This virus spreads through the coming into contact with the person who is already infected with it. It is possible that the person who is infected by it can seriously ill or may die because of it. We cannot see coronaviruses through our eyes. Even it is hardly visible with the help of a microscope. If it is enters into a living organism like humans and animals, it starts infecting the body cell and then after only it can produce same viruses. Now we will see lifetime of coronaviruses on a different surface. It can live 72 hours on a tough and shining surface like a door handle and mobile phone. It can live 24 hours on a paper, cardboard and clothes and 3 hours on a invisible drops. Now we will see what are the symptoms of coronaviruses. The common symptoms of it are cough, fever, tiredness and difficulty in breathing. Now we will see what is a chain of infection. The pathway for transmission of viruses from one person to another is called a chain of infection. The first stage of a chain of infection is the infection agent which can be responsible for the disease. It can be virus, bacteria or fungi. The second stage is reservoir. This is a place to live for the infection agent. It can be a person, animal, land, or water. And the third stage is a portal of exit. This is a way to exit for the infection agent from the reservoir. This can be done from the coughing, sneezing, or injury of the infected person. The fourth stage is a mode of a transmission in which infection agent transmitted from the one person to another. This can be done through the invisible drops, air, or direct or indirect contacts. Fifth stage is a portal of entry in which infection agent will enter into the body of another person. And in the last, you can see the suspective host, which includes small child, old person, or the person whose immunity system is weak. By breaking this chain of infection, we can prevent the spread of coronaviruses. Now we will see how to protect ourselves from it. With this simple step, we can do it. Keep social distancing and try to avoid to get physical contacts. Social distancing is a very effective way to keep the society healthy and prevent the spread of coronaviruses, because the people do not have symptoms of it may also be ill and they can be transmitter of it. Don't forget to wash your hands properly after each 2 hours of a time gap. When you are not having the water to wash your hands, then use hand sanitizer and always cover your mouth while you sneezing or coughing. And yeah, We should follow the Saptapadi given by our respected Prime Minister. So let's see what are the 7 rules of Saptapadi. The first rule of it is take special care of elders of your home, and especially those people who have a chronic disease. We have to take extra care of them, keep them very safe from the corona. Second, completely follow the Lakshman line of a lockdown and social distancing. Essentially use a homemade face cover or a mask. The third rule is to increase your immunity. Follow the instruction given by the Ministry of Ayush. Consume hot water continuously. And the fourth rule is to help to prevent the spread of a corona. The Arogya Setu mobile app must be downloaded. Inspire others to download this app as well. The fifth rule is look after the poor families as much as possible and fulfill their food requirements. And the sixth rule is be compassionate to the people working with you in your business, your industry, and do not expel anyone. The seventh rule is give respect to our corona warriors, such as our doctors, our nurses, policemen, and sweepers. Now, our fourth question is there is any research regarding prevention of a coronaviruses? So, your answer is yes. Scientists are finding ways. In the experiment, they found that it can be destroyed in dry atmosphere with the 56 Celsius temperature within the 15 minutes. But this experiment was done in the lab with all precautions. It is not possible to do that anywhere, and it is dangerous to do.